Listen here. There are many rules in Quran. Recitation of the Quran is perfect only if it is recited following all rules. Students, introduce here some common symbols and rules of Nun, Sakin and Tanween.
This is the sign of Iqlab. For example, كلا لينبذن في الحطمة. This is meme. Let's just stop here. For example, فلا يحزنك قولهم إنا نعلم ما يسرون وما يعلنون. This is G. Stopping is permissible. When comes these signs, we can continue and stop. For example, فسبح بحمد ربك واستغفر إنه كان توابا. فسبح بحمد ربك واستغفره إنه كان توابا. This is group of dot. Stop is permissible. Only is one of two sides, not in both. For example, ذلك الكتاب لا ريب فيه هدى للمتقين. This is while the person continue, that is better. For example, this is Khila. Stop is better. While come this sign, we can stop here. That is better. For example, قالوا يا ويلنا من بعثنا من مرقدنا هذا ما وعد الرحمن وصدق المرسلون. This is lamb. Don't stop here. While comes this sign, we don't stop here. For example, قالوا قد سمعنا لو نشاء لقلنا مثل هذا إن هذا إلا أساطير الأولين. Saying of mud. While comes this saying, we should extend. For example, إن الذين كفروا سواء عليهم أأنذرتهم أم لم تنذرهم لا يؤمنون. There are 5 rules of Nun Sakina and Tanween. First one, Idamu Biyuna. When Nun Sakina and Tanween comes the end of the word and one of these letters, Nun, Mim, Waw, Ya is the first letter of the next word. The 2 letters are merged with Unna. For example, Ala Siratim Mustaqim. Second one, Idamu Bilawna. These 2 letters, Lam, Ra, completely merging Nun or Tanween into the next letters without Unna. For example, Yasab an Lam Yarawad. Third one, Ikhfa. If any of the letters of Ikhfa come after the Nun Sakina or Tanween, it should be covered with Unna. For example, Ma'an Sajjaja. Fourth one, Iqlab. It is the changing of Nun Sakina or Tanween into a meme when by followed by ba. For example, وجعلنا من بين أيديهم سدا ومن خلفهم سدا.
Fifth one, Ilhar. When Nun Sakina or Tanween comes at the end of the word, it's one of the letters, two letters pronounced openly. For example, وَمِن شَرِّ غَاسِقٍ إِذَا وَقَبَ. Arabic letters are 28. Some Arabic letters every time pronounced will be tafkhim. Other letters every time pronounced will be tarqiq. But letter Ra sometimes will be tafkhim and sometimes this letter will be tarqiq.
Tarqiq. Sixth one, Tarqiq. Ra will be Tarqiq in 4 places. While comes Ra with kasr. For example, Rijal. While comes Ra sakin after kasr. For example, Fir'aun. While comes Ra sakin and Ya sakin after fatah. For example, Khair. While comes Ra sakin after letter with sakin without or itbaq or ya. For example, Zikr, Fitr.
Ra will be tafkhim in 5 places. 1. While comes Ra with fatah or lamma. For example, Rafiq. 2. While comes Ra sakin after fatah or lamma. For example, Maryam. 3. While comes Ra sakin in first of the words. For example, Irji'i. 4. While comes Ra sakin after any letters with sakin without ya after fatah. For example, for Fajr. 5. While Ra sakin after permanent kasr before harf of istilah. For example, Mirsad. Assalamu alaikum.